Alright, everybody. It is me again. I have it all hooked up. I've been doing some test runs with the rubber band I'm using for the the pulleys there. It keeps on jumping off, but if it's at idle, it's not too much of a problem. But let me start it up for you guys. A little bit of a sound warning here. It is loud. Make sure it's at idle. Well, it looks like, oh, it jumped back up on there, but while it was running, it jumped between there. I don't know how it jumped back on there and stayed. That's wild. But anyway, that's it running under its own power. So a little bit of tuning, a new pulley, should be able to get some decent runs out of it. As you can see, I've got this 3D printed, I had to heat it up and bend it so there would be less tension in the tube here, because I really didn't like that. And I know it'll cause turbulence and back pressure and blah blah blah, but whatever, bro. It's the look that counts. Look at that. That's just insane. Tiny engine with a super turbo. And yes, I'm calling it a super turbo. I know technically it's a supercharger, but it looks like a turbo. But anyway, that's that. Right now I'm running it on Sidewinder. I think this is 30%, 20%. Oh, right, that's right, because I mixed it with 33%. This stuff's kind of gunky, but if you mix it, it's fine. But yeah, that's the setup. I was using these, but they're kind of junky and like to pop off, so I hooked up some leads to a power supply. I'll replace that with a battery and a circuit and all that goodness. Right now it's powered by 2 different batteries. There them are, off the Jungle website. Anyway, yeah, it runs. It's fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys around whenever I get around to it.